Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. Now in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply exchange your crypto on Binance. It's quite easy. The most important step is actually having a Binance account, and if you still do not have a Binance account, by simply using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account using our link. So guys, once you've done that, once you've logged in with a verified account, head over to the wallet section. And once at the wallet section, you'll be dropped at the overview, where you can simply scroll over to the spot and find your tokens that can be converted or exchanged. Now head over to the home. Basically, what an exchange is on Binance is simply converting or buying and selling. It's simply trading. So by clicking on the convert option, you can easily convert your tokens, that's your available tokens, into other cryptocurrency assets by entering an amount and selecting the cryptocurrency asset you wish to convert to. Let's say I want some Ethereum, $2 worth of Ethereum. Click on preview conversion and simply click on convert. And now it's done. Another method of getting this token, the Ethereum, or any other cryptocurrency asset that isn't on the converts, is by selecting the spot menu. That you simply click on this market here, enter a token pair or a coin pair you wish to trade, which is let's work with the Ethereum or any other token. Let's say I want some BUSD for some Ethereum. I'll simply click on this BUSD, click on the sell option, and now I'll be taken to the spot trading option. Now the spot trading option is where you can simply trade your cryptocurrency assets by either buying or selling at the market price. That's basically what it is. And market price is instantly buying or selling at the market price, at the current price of the market. That's what market price is. So now simply enter an amount of Ethereum you wish to sell for some BUSD and simply click on the sell BUSD option. Click on the sell Ethereum option and you'd have some BUSD on your wallets. So guys, do comment down below if you've got any questions concerning how we can exchange crypto on Binance, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.